Ever wondered what could be the hidden key to unlocking millionaire status? Imagine a world where owning a particular asset could pave your way to financial prosperity beyond imagination. But is this just a fantasy or a tangible reality waiting to be discovered? Join us as we embark on an exploration of an enigmatic realm where innovation meets opportunity and where the visionary grasp the reins of wealth. Prepare to delve into the realm of artificial intelligence, where fortunes are forged and futures are reshaped. So, without any further delay, let's get started. The rise of nvidia, a game changer in AI. In the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, nvidia has emerged as a towering figure, reshaping industries and redefining possibilities. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a market leader, nvidia's journey embodies the transformative power of innovation. Founded in 1993 by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Priem, nvidia initially focused on producing graphics processing units, GPUs, for gaming and multimedia applications. However, its trajectory took a decisive turn with the advent of AI, propelling it into uncharted territory. NVIDIA's GPUs, renowned for their parallel processing capabilities, found new applications in the burgeoning field of AI. Leveraging the inherent power of GPUs, NVIDIA pioneered the acceleration of AI algorithms, catalyzing breakthroughs in deep learning, machine learning, and data analytics. The company's strategic investments in research and development, coupled with strategic partnerships, positioned it at the forefront of AI innovation. From self-driving cars to healthcare diagnostics, NVIDIA's GPUs have become indispensable tools for AI-driven solutions across diverse sectors. Moreover, NVIDIA's commitment to democratizing AI through initiatives like CUDA and AI startups nurturing programs has fostered a vibrant ecosystem of innovation. By empowering researchers, developers, and entrepreneurs, NVIDIA has catalyzed a revolution in AI, democratizing access to cutting-edge technology and unlocking new frontiers of possibility. As investors and enthusiasts alike marvel at NVIDIA's meteoric rise, one thing remains clear. NVIDIA's ascent is not merely a success story, but a testament to the boundless potential of AI to reshape our world, unveiling the nuances of valuation. Understanding the valuation metrics of AI-centric companies like NVIDIA requires a nuanced perspective. While traditional yardsticks may falter, assessing relative valuations unveils hidden opportunities amidst the chaos. NVIDIA's trajectory, characterized by cyclical fluctuations and technological advancements, necessitates a cautious approach. Despite its stellar performance, NVIDIA is not immune to market volatilities. Concerns regarding cyclical pressures and technological disruptions loom large, prompting investors to tread carefully. However, discerning investors recognize the inherent value of NVIDIA's AI prowess, transcending short-term fluctuations in pursuit of long-term gains. NVIDIA's valuation, often subject to scrutiny, reflects its pivotal role in the AI ecosystem. As the demand for AI-driven solutions continues to soar, NVIDIA's position as a market leader becomes increasingly pronounced. Its strategic investments in AI research and development, coupled with its robust product portfolio, bolster confidence among investors, underscoring its long-term viability. Moreover, NVIDIA's diversified revenue streams spanning gaming, data centers, and automotive sectors mitigate risks associated with sector-specific volatilities. This diversified approach not only enhances NVIDIA's resilience, but also augments its appeal to a broader investor base. In essence, NVIDIA's valuation transcends conventional metrics, embodying the intrinsic value of AI in shaping the future. As investors navigate the complexities of valuation, nvidia stands as a beacon of stability and innovation in an ever-evolving landscape. Thus, while challenges persist, the allure of NVIDIA's AI prowess remains unwavering, beckoning investors to embrace the transformative potential of AI-driven investments. Please like and subscribe if you like the videos and share with your friends and colleagues. Beyond NVIDIA, exploring untapped AI gems. While NVIDIA commands attention, the AI landscape harbors a plethora of untapped gems waiting to be discovered. Companies like uipath offer compelling narratives, leveraging AI to redefine industry standards and chart new frontiers. Despite market skepticism, these underdogs possess the potential to disrupt established norms, presenting unique investment opportunities. uipath's recent foray into AI-driven products underscores its commitment to innovation. Despite transient setbacks, the company's strategic vision and technological acumen bode well for future growth. As investors, recognizing the latent potential of such entities is paramount, transcending conventional wisdom to embrace the future of AI. Moreover, beyond uipath, a myriad of AI startups and emerging players dot the technological landscape, each offering a distinct value proposition. From healthcare to finance, AI's transformative potential knows no bounds, offering a glimpse into a future defined by innovation and efficiency. As investors venture beyond the confines of established giants like NVIDIA, they unearth a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be seized. The key lies in discernment and foresight, as identifying the next AI gem requires a keen understanding of market dynamics and technological trends. In essence, while NVIDIA remains a cornerstone of AI investment, the future beckons with promise and possibility. Tesla, the epitome of AI innovation. In the realm of AI, few entities command as much reverence as Tesla. Beyond its automotive endeavors, Tesla's foray into autonomous driving epitomizes the convergence of AI and innovation. Armed with proprietary data and technological prowess, Tesla is poised to revolutionize transportation, heralding a new era of efficiency and safety. The autonomous taxi network envisioned by Tesla epitomizes the transformative potential of AI. By leveraging vast swaths of real-world data, Tesla seeks to redefine mobility, transcending conventional paradigms in the process. As investors, recognizing Tesla's AI-driven initiatives is not merely an exercise in speculation, but a testament to foresight and conviction. Tesla's commitment to AI extends beyond autonomous driving, encompassing diverse domains such as energy storage and manufacturing. From gigafactories powered by renewable energy to AI-driven production lines, Tesla exemplifies the fusion of sustainability and innovation. Moreover, Tesla's AI initiatives extend to vertical integration with the development of custom hardware like Dojo, a neural network training computer. This holistic approach to AI underscores Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation, setting new standards for the industry. In essence, Tesla stands as a beacon of AI innovation, reshaping industries and redefining possibilities. Navigating economic realities, challenges, and opportunities. Amidst economic uncertainties, navigating the AI landscape requires a nuanced understanding of prevailing realities. From supply chain disruptions to macroeconomic fluctuations, the road to prosperity is fraught with challenges. However, amidst the chaos lies a beacon of hope, where AI emerges as a catalyst for resilience and adaptation. As we confront the specter of deflationary pressures, embracing AI-driven solutions becomes imperative. Companies adept at harnessing AI stand poised to weather the storm, transcending conventional limitations to unlock untold potential. In the crucible of economic upheaval, AI emerges not merely as a tool but as a lifeline, guiding us towards a brighter tomorrow. The fusion of AI and economics presents both challenges and opportunities. While AI-driven innovations promise efficiency and productivity gains, they also disrupt traditional labor markets, raising concerns about job displacement and income inequality. As policymakers and industry leaders grapple with these complex dynamics, fostering a conducive environment for AI adoption becomes paramount. By embracing innovation and fostering collaboration, we can harness the transformative power of AI to navigate economic uncertainties and chart a path towards sustainable growth. In the tapestry of wealth creation, AI emerges as the thread that binds innovation with opportunity. From NVIDIA's ascent to Tesla's AI-driven ambitions, the journey towards prosperity is paved with foresight and conviction. As we bid farewell to this exploration, remember that the path to millionaire status is not a destination, but a journey. Embrace the transformative power of AI, for therein lies the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating.